Hello everyone, I'm Jennifer, your friend. Let's have a quick recap of the last video. In the last video, we learnt about adding multiple sprites and playing their actions together. As a part of our DIY activity, we also asked you to add Maruti as a sprite along with bananas. We will also add animations to bananas to make them fall down. Let's see how it's done. Select Add Sprite button and add Maruti to our story. And we will place Maruti on the tree from the stage. Again, select Add Sprite button, then search for bananas. Found it? Select bananas and move it near Maruti. Now, add the green flag event and then add the downward motion block from the motion category blocks. Turn on the grid pattern. Now, count the number of squares in the grid up to which we want the bananas to fall down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Looks good? So write 10 in the downward motion block. We can also choose position to make the bananas fall down whenever we run the code. This can be done by this location block from the motion category blocks. Just like a map, you can select the point from where you want the bananas to fall. Add the location block just after the green flag. Let's select this position at the top and place the marker here. Now, select Tobi. Add green flag event, then add forward and backward blocks with your desired number. Let's say 3. Now, let's play the code through the green flag. Hope you all got it right. Moving on towards our game, in this video, we will learn how to make bananas fall again and again. But how do we do that? By using control blocks. Let's play. These control blocks are used to add timer between blocks, repeating the block codes, and stopping the actions. Let's continue in the DIY activity itself. Select Tobi. In this code, we can add timer blocks to add time between these blocks to move forward, stop for 1 second, and move backward again. Now, select the banana sprite. Here, instead of 10 downward motion, we can choose a repeat block from the control category blocks to do the same action. Add a repeat block and place a downward motion block inside it. Now write 10. It will repeat the falling motion 10 times. What if we want to repeat this downward motion forever? Yes, the hint. You can use the repeat forever block from these control blocks. You may notice it's a little different in shape than the repeat block. And this is also your DIY activity for this video. That's all. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.